Don't worry. 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 What's wrong?
Think. Think. Think.
What do I look like? The light?
She's ready. Hello, Hunnay.
Hello, Hunnay.
Happy holidays, Hunnay. You guys love Mama Mai's Treasures episode.
Yes, I'm proud about it. I save a lot of money.
So I decided we should do a holiday edition because I think that it is a good idea to save money. Why not allow our queen, Mama Mai, to teach us some really clever ways, clever, useful ways, Mom, because your last video was not clever nor useful and it was just a lot of waste of time. We dare you to make a head wrap out of pants. When would you ever walk around like that?
Push, push, push. See? You move it. Look like you took somebody's husband. They just beat you up.
Ma!
Good, don't worry. A lot of people like it. Don't worry. My God, you worry too much.
I gave my mom a week and asked her to come up with some real-life holiday hacks that will help improve your lifestyle and save you some money. Do you have good ideas for us?
I do all the times.
Okay, if you haven't already, please do follow our membership club. Our membership club allows you access to early episodes, also edited scenes that even YouTube won't allow. And you also get custom badges and cool things that are very my fam. Shamika Hartgrove, thank you for being a part of my membership club. You told us that your mom Ramilla just recently celebrated her 60th birthday, just like you, Mama Mai. Really? So we want to wish your mama a happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! I'm coughing. I have to pretend.
Happy birthday from me and Mama Mai. Even if you're not a member, you're not going to miss out on episodes. You just get extra perks if you are. Okay, so I'm looking at this cluster stuff around us.
What about my theme song?
We still have that?
Hey mama, what you got over there?
Treasure.
Hey mama, what you doing with your hair?
Treasure.
Hey mama, what else you got to share? You got treasures everywhere. What else you got to spare? Hey mama.
Can we get started?
Chicken meat.
Please.
First of all, I'd like to show you about this one is tangle.
A common everyday problem that we have, Christmas lights are tangled, which I actually hate because when you pull them apart, you break nails, you break light bulbs.
Right.
So what's your idea, Mama Mai?
My idea
This is a really good one. This is common.
Where is it? Let me see. Hold on. It's tangle. When Christmas over, you can go like this and you wrap around like this, one by one.
After you're done with Christmas lights from the year before,
Right.
you should use a hanger to control how you wind the wires.
Right.
So that when you open them up to decorate,
It's
they're
more easy.
easier.
Shoot, man, that takes too much work. Here, I'll show you my way. We can use this one. Here, look at my apple. Pull it up like this. You can go like this, one.
Everybody does that.
You pull it out, the rubber band is gonna be straight. Trust me.
Mom, show us things that are actually really
I
helpful.
will, let's work. Don't worry, that's the first thing.
You're
already.
wasting a whole episode I gave you.
I'll give you another one. You see this one?
Can you first start out, what is the problem?
It's not a
What
problem.
is your solution?
I'd like to create the new thing to put on my head.
Can you explain why the average person would want to have that done?
Christmas come in, you want to do something different, especially you have a scarf.
This is a great idea from
like a
Mama Mai
scarf,
to
okay?
hand make your own, what is this, a hat?
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
You can hang on the door.
Yes, or pine.
But I use for my head. Do you have any extra scarf?
Any scarf of any color.
You put it on like this. You wrap around. You keep going circle again and again. You make me nervous. Why you keep looking at me?
Because I'm watching to see how this ugly thing's gonna turn out.
No, it's not ugly. You see? Now, see example. You can wear, like that. Hold on.
Take off your hat. Show us how that looks good, because that looks terrible,
Oh my
Mom.
goodness. For the Christmas, you can do like this.
Are you being serious right now? Are you encouraging people to wear this into their company parties?
Yeah, why
Do you
not?
want them to have a job after?
Christmas, that's, you can do whatever. You can do like this. You can wear like this. Just an example with the gold.
Mom, look at the camera.
You see how beautiful?
Comment below. All right, so Mama Mai's idea of a great holiday
That's look beautiful.
ensemble.
That's look good on you. That's beautiful. Don't you think, fam? Tell her. That's look very beautiful. That's how look
Lies,
good. No, we're not lying. Look real good. Look
Chelsea,
real
my
good.
stylist, just said this looks really good. Chelsea
It
is
is.
now
Look
fired.
at me.
Fired.
Go.
Didn't I already fire you? I look like one of like the disciples.
No, if you do the night things, it's gonna be look beautiful. Look like a
Okay,
Miss
next
USA.
idea, Mom. I'm still not buying this.
All right.
So what's the
Every
problem?
time, the problem. I don't have any problem.
For your next idea, what's the problem?
Okay.
And what's your solution?
Okay, when we have a lot of Christmas cards, okay?
Your son poured you hot whiskey and honey.
Do you put a lemon?
Yes, Dennis.
Feels so good. Thank you.
Can you give me a better idea for your holiday hacks?
Okay. We have a lot of Christmas cards. A lot of people give it to you.
We do. We save them, we hang them up, we
Yes.
put them on the fire mantle.
But after the Christmas, which one is more fancy, more beautiful? I save it. Some people they say Merry Christmas. They're lazy. They don't say anything and they sign the name. So you know what I'm gonna do, fam? I take this one. When I clean the floor, I clean the table. I just clean dust like that. I put like this,
Oh my God, she does do this.
like this, and I put like that. Walk slowly and throw in the trash can. Boom. That's how I do it.
Mom, some
See?
of those cards are pictures of people's kids and stuff.
If you love the kids so much, take the picture and save in your cell phone. How many kids you gonna have? A lot. You see what I mean? That's how Mom might do.
In
I'll
other
be
words,
honest.
if you're gonna send the My Household any Christmas cards, make sure they look expensive. Otherwise, you're gonna be used as a dustpan.
Junk, don't worry about it. Christmas time, some people they just like gold, silver. I like blue color. So I'm gonna tell you, a decoration, everything's blue. You see this one? How beautiful. $1 store. Jeannie. You see the light? Where's the light? Don't worry, $1 store, I can return it. Let me tell you something. $1 store, I spend only $20 I use for Christmas. Take a picture, look beautiful, who cares? You see how nice?
Or you would buy them in colors that would go along with your holiday theme. Like I'm a little bit more gold and green and red right now. Mama Mai is tinsel blue and
Yeah, you hang in
Indiana
everything,
Jones
you see
get
that?
up.
Can you hold it for me? You see, I remember you. $1 store, hold it.
unicorn. Is that for holidays?
Yeah, that's holiday, who cares? You decoration whatever you want to. I can do the earring.
Why would you buy a blue ball?
Don't worry, leave it there for hope next year better. See, this one you can put in the tree or you can make an earring. $1 store too. Here, you see? Peacock.
Mom,
See how
what's
nice?
your trick? What's your
My
treasure?
job, my point is $1 store. You can use a decoration, something for your house. You will love it. After Christmas, you throw it away. You don't put the junk in your house and you spend like how much? Like $20. That's it. Every Christmas, Mama, I spend only $20.
Everybody knows you can go to the dollar store and buy this.
But they don't know how to decoration.
Throw it on the damn tree. There's your decoration.
I know, that's what. But you would throw in the trash can or whatever.
Fam, I'm really trying to make this
Hold
episode
on.
helpful to
When
you.
your friend come over, okay? When your friend come over, okay? Here, $1 store. Give them this one, very good. Fit them, okay? Chocolate, warm up the chocolate. They don't know $1 store. You warm up and you put in fancy crystal. You dip in it, you talk to them.
I can absolutely tell that you
See
got
that?
this from the dollar store.
And then look at coconut milk, a $1 store.
You're saying go to the dollar store, buy cheap snacks,
Yes.
put them in nice bowls.
You talk and then you eat If you don't have time to do the Christmas tree, don't worry. Mom, I have a thing for you.
What's that? What's that?
Here, you know,
Fresh winter pine air freshener.
you smell it. Not the one you go into the bathroom, okay? This one you put, like a Christmas come in.
Have you tried it to make sure it smells like Christmas tree?
I
Mom?
tried already. Don't worry. I had so much. Why? You see, God
My
punished.
dress!
That's the God punished you.
My dress!
I told you. That's why the God punished you.
Oh my God,
Now,
it smells terrible.
I told you. That's a Christmas tree.
Mom, it's so. Ugh.
Don't worry.
Mom, it's too strong.
Is my hair's okay? Now this is home is where your mom is. You hang on the tree. That's a beautiful one.
That has nothing to do with the holidays.
You see how beautiful? Put in the tree. I like it. Thank you, Jeannie. That's your mom. Let me see what I want to show you.
This has nothing to do with the holidays.
Jeannie. I hate her so much. Clumsy girl.
Mom, the tree looks ugly.
Better than nothing.
Why did you buy the unicorn? This is not Christmas.
You born on the horse.
That has nothing to do with Christmas.
No, that's you
She's
good.
talking about the Chinese calendar that I was born on.
Yeah,
the
you
horse.
born on
I
the
never
horse,
even-
unicorn. Okay, you're not here. I'm thinking about unicorn. That's you. What? I'm tired now. This is a good present I gave you for Christmas. Open it gently.
Did you really give me a present?
I do. I
You
give
really
you
did.
first. I
This
do.
is something you purposely bought for me and wrapped it?
Yes, I did. Open gently. Happy holiday! Don't worry.
Don't do that in someone's
you
eye.
did it to me the last time.
I didn't do it in your eye, I did it in your ear. Happy birthday, Mama Mai!
Okay, open it now. Gently, because we have to use wrap again. Okay. See?
Fake eyelashes.
That's what you're using. You can take out this one. I can put this on for you. $1 only, but you can choose thick one, longer, shorter.
Don't you want to give something a little bit more for Christmas?
This one, I give you not only one, I give you 5. And bonus, I'm gonna teach you how to put it on. I'm gonna put it on for you.
Do I have a chance to say no?
No, you cannot. I do it right now. Today, my show, not your show. Shut up.
Honestly, I get a lot of messages where people don't know how to do eyelashes because it's really hard, and especially with women your age where they can't see the mirror well. Can you give real tips? Is that
bad.
shady? Aren't you partially blind? A lot of people really do struggle. So if you do them on me, will you give tips so that our fam out there really learn from you how to put on lashes?
Let me know.
So do it for real and make me look good.
Okay, where's the clue? Where's my clue?
Okay, so I'm taking off my lashes.
Take it, put it, save it. Don't throw it away. Just in case something happens. Put it here.
Oh my God. By the way, everywhere in my house, everywhere you go, whether it's into the tea cabinet or it's on top of the TV or over to the Alexa, there's always a pair of lashes. One time I found a pair of lashes inside the rosebud of a bouquet.
What happened? Oh my
Guys,
God.
that inside my bouquet.
My God.
Mom.
It is. This is mine. Oh my God, I like this one. First of all, I'm remove this one. Okay. Let me see how long your eye. Oh, that's too long. I don't have a scissor. Don't worry about it. Don't worry.
My people, remember when I was telling you about the membership club? When I did my makeup tutorial, I actually showed only the VIP members how to put on false lashes. So if you're a VIP member, you have access to that video on how to do false lashes by me. We like glue
Yeah.
that has the brush.
Right.
Because it's a lot easier to paint
Yeah,
the lash
so I put
line.
the glue over here.
You just need a thin strip, but make sure the glue is sticking to the entire strip of the lashes. And she's giving it a few seconds to
Yeah.
get tacky.
So now I'm gonna put it in your eyeball. Oh my God. Yeah, move like this. This one a little bit longer, don't worry, get more attention.
What do you mean longer?
I don't wanna cut it. Go up. No,
Wait,
don't
can
close your
you-
eye. Look
Can you move the
down, you
lash
look down.
outside a little bit because it's poking inside the corner of my eye too much.
I like it. I like poker eyes. Okay. Oh, that's not bad, đẹp hả con? Yeah, it's beautiful, yeah. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe what, that $1. Okay. Wait.
Mom, your nails hurt a little bit.
Okay, nó đẹp á, nó không có xấu đâu, mình chỉ bỏ thôi, nó
Does it
đẹp.
look
No, not bad. No, that's not bad. Let me look at you. Okay, don't worry. Another one. I put another one. How come too many hair? Where's the
Mom,
hair coming from?
this is not sanitary. You're doing it on top of a coconut milk can. Why don't we use a napkin or something?
Don't worry.
You didn't even look to see where you put too much on, Mom.
I
It's
don't. Don't
healthy.
worry. My God, you talk too much. You make me shaking.
There's hella fur on this lash.
Close your. No, don't close.
It feels like there's a lot of glue. It just feels really wet. My eyelid's sticking together. You glued my eyelid together. Mom,
Let me see why it gets stuck. Hold up.
pull my eyelid open. Hurry before it glues. Pull my eyelid. Oh, ow.
Yeah, it's open.
Oh my God, I feel like all I can see is glue.
This one, this one a little bit lower, but that's okay.
Does it look good?
I think so.
Wait, does it look good?
Look like a dog.
A what?
A dog.
A dog?
A dog. No, not dog. DOLL. A dog.
Okay, can I get a mirror,
dog.
please?
I cannot believe it. I can give to my friend Christmas gift $1 store.
What do you mean? You bought this and you weren't sure if you could do it? I look sad.
That's the way you born.
I hope hope you enjoyed Mama Mai's holiday episode. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy holidays.
Happy holiday.
Take this off right now.
Ha ha ha.
Take this off right now, Mom.
You take it off yourself. I put it on already.
You take it off. It's so
no,
ugly.
you take it off.
Take it off for me.
It's not ugly. That's beautiful. Oh my God.
Oh my God, these are so ugly.